Today we have simulated an airstrike attack at Margao railway station, which resulted in severe casualties and fire as well. Overall, total 7 line agencies had reported, and we conducted this rescue operation. Out of its civil defense, around 40 personnel were reported. Electricity, fire and emergency, police, home guards, NCC, KRCL, and 15 members of medicals were deployed. Total, there were 40 casualties, out of which 15 were trapped, and now they have been safely rescued to the nearby rescue center. Out of 40, 2 were severely injured, and now they will be shifted to South Goa District Hospital for the further medical assistance. And 8 are minor injury. They were having minor injury, so they are being treated at the nearest relief camp. We also had a fire hazard, and fire tender along with the fire personnel, they participated and they successfully diffused the fire incident at the location. Around 15-20 minutes total.
Sir, your good name, sir?
My name is Ganesh Pandit.
Gathering here and doing a mock exercise. The motive behind this conducting a mock exercise was to get familiar with the different types of situations and how we can rescue ourselves and what are the line departments, and trying to establish coordination along with line departments. So basically, when such incident happens, there should be a smooth flow of everything and there should be no chaotic. I hope that this mock what we have conducted would be very helpful, and I also request all of you, the young students who are here, not only to observe it but also try to spread this awareness among your parents or the old age people who are there in your house or near vicinity. So in some or the other manner it is going to help you. Rest of the things sir will do.
Okay. Now?
I'm Rupesh Parvatkar, Civil Defense Warden for Marmagaon District. My responsibility to manage South and North for the area for the civil defense. And the civil defense plays a major role during the war situation, the emergency situations. And here we are here for a special design program for the civil defense evacuations. And we have helped the fire forces and the emergency services to evacuate the people and the injured patients, I can say, from the people. And the major role we play to evacuate, to save the people's life. This is what we call as civil defense crop, Nagrik Suraksha. It's our kartavya and I can say it's our responsibility. Nagrik Suraksha is our responsibility of civil defense crop.
In case of emergencies, we can exactly know how to work and how to deal with the cases, triaging and all, and checking on the patients and all. We can be more prepared in case such a situation comes.